Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how to invest in real estate through Fundrise. So how do you invest in real estate through Fundrise? The first thing to do is to open your web browser and go to Fundrise website at www.fundrise.com and log in by clicking the login button on the top right. Enter your registered email or your account's credentials and log in. That's if you're prompted. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Fundrise dashboard, which we have in here. Now, at the top of the screen, you're going to find a couple of tabs. Go ahead and locate the Real Estate tab in the main navigation menu and click on it. And that's going to take you into the Real Estate window, which we're going to enter into shortly. Now, in the Real Estate window, you have this button that says Invest. So click on the Invest button and that's going to take you into the Real Estate investment section. All right, I will not be able to head into the Real Estate section itself because I am asked to enter my phone number. So I have to use this phone number as a backup of contact and they need to verify this. So let's see if we can quickly do that. If we're not going to be able to do that, I'm just going to walk you through the process. Now, I will not be able to proceed with this process because Fundrise investments are only available to United States residents. So they're requiring a United States phone number, which I do not have at the moment because I am restricted. But let's say you head over to this platform. So I'm going all the way back and where you have that invest button, so click on the invest button and it's going to take you to the next page now, which is the real estate section properly. In the real estate section, you will see different investment options or plans based on real estate assets. Fundrise offers various platforms or various plans rather, such as starter, core, advanced, premium to match different goals and budgets. So review the details of each plan, including the minimum investment requirements and the potential returns for each. Choose the plan that best fits your goals by clicking on the associated button, often labeled Get Started or Select Plan. After choosing the plan, you'll be prompted to specify the amount you want to invest. Fundrise will show you the minimum required amount for the plan you selected. So, enter an amount that meets or exceeds this minimum and click Continue after entering the desired amount. The next step is to link a bank account for funding. Fundrise requires a linked bank account to fund your investment. So if you haven't linked one yet, select the option to add a new bank account. You'll be guided through the steps to securely log into your bank or enter your bank details. Follow the prompt to complete the linking process. Once the bank account is linked, confirm the funding amount, then click Continue. A summary of your investments will appear, including the selected plan, investment amount, and linked bank account information. Go ahead and carefully review the summary to ensure accuracy. You'll also see relevant information about expected returns and the terms of your chosen plan. And if everything looks correct, check any required boxes to agree to Fundrise's terms, then click Confirm Investment to proceed. After confirmation, you'll receive an on-screen message and an email verifying your investment. This email will provide a summary of your investment details and any processing timelines. Fundrise may take several business days to process the funds, depending on your bank's procedures and fund verification. Return to the dashboard to monitor the performance of your investment. Fundrise provides detailed reports, dividend information, and updates on the project in your chosen portfolio. As your portfolio grows, you'll also see the option to explore additional investment opportunities or reinvest earnings directly from your dashboard. Following these steps will allow you to start investing in real estate on the updated Fundrise platform. Go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with these steps, and of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.